5 days, 5 days of smoothies. What I did for my breakfast the next day after my 5-day smoothie fast. So guys, I know you thought that I had gone, but I thought I'd come back and show you what I did for my breakfast the next day after my 5-day smoothie fast. I thought it was really important to show you what I did. So this morning, the kids went to karate, I went for a run, I have had my lemon drink. I had actually a little bit of green smoothie from yesterday, the one that I couldn't finish because I was like, oh, so over it. So that which I had left over, I had this morning for the green smoothie, but it was only about that much. And then I just thought I would make this lovely chia seed smoothie. This is how I did it. I'm going to make a chia seed porridge. So what I've done is I've got these chia seeds, I put it in a bowl, I've used my plant milk, and I added a thing called Goji berries, and I've soaked it in milk for a while. I'm going to add a little bit more milk because chia seeds, it absorbed all of the milk. And as I said, in here the red things that you see is goji berries, but I don't like cold porridge. But and also when you saw a lot of shadows there, when you warm up these things, it releases lots of good stuff. So I'm gonna warm up my chia porridge, guys, for this is going to be my breakfast. This was originally about 3 tablespoons, and it's really doubled and tripled, so it's quite a lot of porridge now. I soaked my goji berries because they can be quite hard, the dried ones, very hard. I'm going to add some cinnamon. Oh, that's a lot there. Mix that in. And I'm going to sweeten my porridge with agave. Oops. Lovely. Porridge is ready. Now, I didn't have any fresh bananas, so the reason why these are brown and not so good looking is because these are bananas from the freezer that I had frozen. Then I'm going to add quite a lot actually of blueberries, and then I'm going to add some seed mix. This is all packed with so much goodness. And so this is my porridge that I'm going to break my fast with. So it's really important, I think, sometimes to detox, clear our insides and our outsides. Sometimes a complete detox where it's just like a water fast can be a bit difficult. But this smoothie fast has been fantastic because it's a really good way of cleansing the body. On Tuesday is going to be the equinox, where we're starting going into the winter months. And the trees are dying down, the fruits are being harvested. So this is a great time for us to kind of go inside and plan and think about what we want for the future, what we want for ourselves and our family. Now, that's another reason why I did the smoothie, not just for physical health but also mental health. So I've broken my fast now with this. I feel I'm ready for our equinox. I'm planning, as you can see, we're recording my new single and I want to be ready for that, planning the campaign for that, and so on and so forth. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful week. I hope you enjoyed my lovely journey this week, my 5-day smoothie fast, followed by beautiful, it's actually delicious. The cinnamon really sets off this chia seed porridge. But you know what also reminds me of? The chia seeds reminds me of tapioca from school, but not awful. You know, tapioca from school back in the day. If you're under a certain age, you don't know what I'm talking about. But if you're over a certain age, you know what tapioca pudding is. Well, chia seeds sort of taste like tapioca pudding, but better because it's got the cinnamon and all that good stuff in it as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. I really enjoyed doing it. I hope you enjoyed the journey. I will see you next time. Take care.
No more stress, gotta get up now and bring it on back to love.